Meanwhile, Thadou Inpi Manipur has appreciated the Ministry of Home Affairs for facilitating peace dialogue between Meitei CSOs and Kuki CSOs. They also question as to why the government cannot restore normalcy in the state if we can bring peace and stability in Kashmir. In a press release, Thadou Inpi commended both Meitei and Kuki CSOs, including all Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko, Federation of Civil Societies Fox from Meitei side, and Zomi Council ZC, Mar Inpi HIGHQ, United Zo Organization UZO, and Kuki Zo Council KZC from Kuki side for sending representatives for the peace talk. Thadou Inpi further expressed regret over Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI, a major Meitei CSO's refusal to participate in the peace talk. The press release further highlighted that Thadou Inpi has long waited for such dialogues since the outbreak of violence on May 3, 2023, while stating that they welcome this breakthrough with hope. They added that a prior attempt at peace and immediate cessation of violence planned for May 6, 2023 between Thadou Inpi and COCOMI on the basis of community understanding unfortunately was aborted due to serious threats from Kuki organizations. Furthermore, Thadou Inpi asserted that the continued disruption by some anti-peace elements like Coordinating Committee on Village Volunteers led by Kuki Zo Village Volunteer Eastern Zone and a pseudo forum called Federation Council of Five, namely Fake Thadou Tribe Council GHQ, Any Kuki Tribe Council, Manipur Kuki Reformation Forum, Lomhang Som and World Kuki Zo Intellectual Council GHQ remains a major obstacle at the moment. Additionally, they also said that the government's failure to ensure free movement along national highways both in the valley and hills, even under President's rule, is a cause for serious concern as it undermines India's sovereignty and raises question of the government's ability to enforce rule of law and bring stability in the region. Thadou Inpi also questioned if the Indian government can bring peace and stability in Kashmir, why not in Manipur? On the other hand, Thadou Inpi also said that Manipur society has been heavily impacted by insurgency-related violence over the past decade since the early 90s, with Thadous having been the most affected yet silenced victims. However, Thadou Inpi remains committed to peace and urged all parties to come together for lasting peace and stability in Manipur.